In this video, I will show you a trick that I am using in Ahrefs to find easy to rank keywords. So this method is simple. First you need to log into your Ahrefs account. Then go to Content Explorer. In here you need to type your niche or your broad keyword. For this example, I am choosing beard. So you can type your niche or your broad keyword in here and then search. Then you need to add some filters. First one is referring domain from 0 to 5. Then apply. Then add another filter. This one is for organic traffic. Then from 1000 to you can type 5000 or 10,000. I'm leaving blank in here. Then apply. Then here you will find some web pages that having referring domains 0 to 5 and having more organic traffic than 1000. So you will find some keyword ideas from here. So hope you learn something new from this video. Until next video, thank you.